spelled it 2 times.
Okay, so you're gonna have dad twice. Do you know how to write dad?
Yeah.
All right.
There was the night. Okay. It's pretty straight.
It's pretty straight.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
All right. What about punctuation? Do you know what punctuation is?
So we're wearing like cupcakes.
Punctuation is a period, a question mark, or an exclamation mark. What do you need after dad, dad? Dad, dad. What are you gonna put? A period or an exclamation mark?
Like this.
Oh. And you did a great big one, didn't you? A great big exclamation mark, didn't you?
Mm-hmm.
All right, I love it. And so, now what are you gonna say? Does it make sense to go, my fried? Does that make sense? Nope, I don't want you to erase. I want you to draw a line through it. Draw a line through fried for a minute. Nope, hold the pencil the right way. Hold the pencil the right way. Pinch it. Nope, you were right. Just hold it stay the right with right here. I want you to hold it the right way.
Like this.
Just like that, right. All right, draw a line through fried. All right, my what? Right here. I want you to write X box. Hold the paper. Hold the paper. X box. Right here. Buck, look at right here. Look at your card right here. Buck. What picture? Just like the picture of.
B.
Uh-huh. Now listen. Box. Okay. All right. Read what you have so far. There you go. Thank you. My Xbox. What word comes next? Don't write it yet. Tell me. My Xbox fried or my Xbox got?
I don't know how to spell.
Well, what does it start with? Listen. Got. Look at the. Look right here. Got starts just like gate. What letter is that? Mm-hmm. All right, did you write an uppercase G or a lowercase G? I know, I want you to draw a line through the uppercase G, and I want you to write a lowercase g. Look at right here. It's got a circle with a tail hanging down. Oh my word, what do you think of your G you just did? Is it a good one? Is it a good G?
No.
Let Cole talk. Cole, is that a good G? Yes, sir, it's a good G. Now listen, what sound do you hear at the end of got?
Oh.
All right,
What would you like? I or an A?
what do you think?
I.
Put it down. Put it down. What did you say? What do you think it is?
I think it's an A.
Then put it down. Don't wait. Write it down there. I like how you're holding the pencil. Now listen, what's the last sound you hear in got? Say it. Say the word got.
I can hear it.
Yeah, what letter is that? Just like turtle.
T.
Yes, or just like, what do you have, right? Oh, you have the same thing, turtle, right there. Yep. You write a T. Are you going to write an uppercase T or a lowercase T?
Lowercase.
A lowercase T, right. All right, are you holding your pencil the right way, Josiah? I want you to pinch it with your 3 fingers, just like this. Can you pinch it?
Okay, now I'm gonna put the line.
Watch this right here. I want you to rest it right on this finger right here. Just like that. There you go, just like that. All right. Read me what you have right here. What do you have written so far? I carving pumpkins. All right, are you finished with your picture? What do you got left to do? Get that? All right, you've got your character, you've got what happened, right? Santa Claus, are you inside or outside?
Inside.
So you're gonna make you inside?
Here's lines, because this was silly.
Oh, okay. Just like, so that is inside. Maybe if you put a window in there, it would look like you're inside. What about putting a window in there?
There was no window.
So what could you put if there wasn't a window? What was there so you would know you were inside?
There was a picture.
Okay, put a picture up there. You're doing a nice square?
Yeah.
I want you to take your time with the square.
I did it all.
All right, you're all set, so read me your story.
My Xbox girlfriend.
You have punctuation at the end of your piece? Well, before you do it, what are you gonna put? Period, question mark, or exclamation mark?
Exclamation.
Let him answer. What are you gonna put? You put one up there because you were yelling what? Dad, Dad, what are you gonna put down here? What are you gonna put down here? Period? Question mark?
Dot.
A dot? You think it's a period? Okay. All right. I think you're all set. That's good. How'd you do? Did you finish your story? All right. I'm looking for your characters. Got your people there. What's your setting? Where are you? Inside or outside?
Inside.
How do I know you're inside? What did you put?
Table.
The table and chairs. And what are you doing?
Very punctual.
Okay, I think you're all set too. Good job, guys. You guys did a good job. So I'm thinking, okay, I see you've got people. I see you've got a inside or outside. You're outside, right? How do I know you're outside? Yes, but here's the thing. What's the important happening?
I called my dad.
Yes?
I said, I saw this squirrel.
Mhm.
He can make it out that fast and he missed it.
But I think you could put the squirrel in someplace, so you could see it. So where are you gonna put the squirrel? So I know the important happening. Okay, why don't you put him up a little higher? Maybe that's why your dad can't see him, because he's up kind of high.
He missed it because we're all in.
I think that's good. So you're gonna put it, how are you gonna make a squirrel? Okay. All right, so, is this the picture right here and everything? So what are you gonna write down here? What are your words gonna be down below? I just remembered this. You ready? What is that? This is the culprit. What do I mean, this is the culprit? Mhm. The culprit, this means he did it, right? This is the guy that did this. Those are my pumpkins. Okay. All right, I think you're all done. Did everybody get a chance to write? What's your story gonna be?
I didn't
That's okay. I think you're all set.
I couldn't because I couldn't write it.
All right, what were you gonna say? I just wanna show you something. Look at which way the S faces. Yours is backwards. Just draw a line through it and make an S like mine. Draw a line through it, just like that. Draw a line. Yep. Now make an S right over here. Okay. Yep. That's the way it is. Good.
Say I, please, call me.
Yes.
And I'm trying to figure out what words.
Well, what's that sound? What's that beginning sound? What? It's just like what picture?
Cat.
Just like cat. All right. You guys did a great job. All right. Can I have your pieces? Can I take that with you? And you can finish that up. That up later. All right. What are you writing, my dear?
My words.
What are you writing? What are you going to say down below?
I'm thinking.
Well, tell me what your story is. What's your story going to be? Tell me what your story is going to be down here. Here's your picture. What are you going to write? before you write, tell me what you're going to say.
It was cited in Santa.
All right. I saw who?
Santa.
All right. So what are you going to say first?
Santa.
You're going to say Santa. You're going to say I saw Santa. All right. What's the first word?
Santa.
No. How about this? Look at me.
I.
I. That's exactly right. Draw a line through this. Draw a line through it. The whole thing. Yep. Now I want you to start right here and draw and write the word I. I. Now a space. Ready? Saw. Mhm.
Wait.
How about
Right here. On
Yeah.
the sunshine.
It is like sunshine. I saw. Now listen. And Santa. You know how to write Santa, don't you?
Yeah.
All right. Leave a space and write Santa.
S. There's two S's.
Oh, look at that. Ready? I saw.
Santa.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Is that an uppercase or a lowercase?
Uppercase.
I know, don't erase. I want you just to line it out. It takes too long to erase. Line it out. Yep, now write a small lowercase a right next to it. You know how to do a low, yeah? Yeah. All right. Perfect. Yes. Why? I know, I like you cross that out. Why'd you cross it out? It is big. Now you did a lowercase one, didn't you? All right, Santa. And then you guys are all done. All right, read me your story.
The first day, when I was 4, I saw Santa driving on an airplane, and it was way cool because I never saw Santa drive on an airplane before,
It
and
is
him
very
got me
exciting.
a Barbie and my little brother a little cute little fuzzy
Mhm.
monkey.
So if you want to finish, you can say, I saw Santa on an
Airplane.
airplane. But you can finish that later, okay? You guys want to go back to your classroom? You guys did a great job. You worked hard. All right, see ya.